In honor of the upcoming fall or autumn season, I decided to share with you my favorite breakfast option, which is banana oatmeal pancakes. It's very delicious and easy to make. All you need are these four ingredients on the screen, and you just put them all together and cook them how you'd normally cook pancakes. So I'm gonna sign off now and just enjoy watching the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.